To get started with your student weekly plans in Google Docs, you'll first have to select a template. Both of these templates are linked for you on the Adding Weekly Plans page. Template 1 looks like this. You'll notice it's very similar to the template we've used to plan in the past. All you'll do is you'll go in and you'll customize your course name, teacher name. Here you'll put your week, so week of September 6th. And notice that the date is actually next to the lesson procedure activity. Template 2 is very similar, only the date is underneath the day of the week. You choose the template that works best for you and your students. Once you've selected which one you want to use, you'll just go to File and Make a Copy. You can do this in either template. When you make a copy, it's going to ask you to name your document. Your specific instructional coordinator or department chair may have a naming protocol they want you to use. For me, I just like to use the term Fall 21, Student Weekly Plans, and then the course name. You'll also decide where you want to save this in your Google Drive. If you've already got folders set up, then navigate to the folder that you want to use. If you don't have folders set up already, you can always choose the New Folder button and create a folder for your course. My folder is set, so I'm just going to select it. And now when I copy over the document, it will immediately be filtered into the right place to help me stay organized. From here, I can go about customizing the template. So the first thing I want to do is swap out the course name. You can swap out the little design if you want by going to Insert, Special Characters, and then switching the drop-down menu from symbol to emoji. You can navigate through the different categories to find something that may be a better fit for your course, or you can search the emojis using keywords. I'm going to keep the books for now. Feel free to customize any way you want. For example, you may want to swap out fonts so that you have a more uniform look with your Canvas page. That's fine. Whatever you choose to do, just be consistent in your design. I also really like to make sure that my plans are color-coded. This way I can keep my different courses straight. If I'm in my red plans, then I know that's my AP Lang and Comp. If I'm in my green plans, then maybe that's my English 2. So it's easy for me to switch through and just identify the color coding. I also like to color code the week of, so it stands out for my students. One other thing that you might want to do is bookmark your plans for easy access. So you can do that by clicking the star and adding a bookmark. It'll ask you what you want to name your bookmark. So maybe I'll name this AP Lang Plans Fall 2021. And then I can choose a folder that I want to put it in. My bookmarks are also organized like my courses, so I'll put it in my AP Lang folder. When I'm done, I press done. And now I've got my plans bookmarked so I can easily navigate to them through my Google Chrome. When you're ready, watch the next series of videos to see how to link your plans to your Canvas page.